Alright folks, welcome back to RoamTips.com. It's great to have you here. Today, we're diving into a super quick and easy iPhone tweak, how to turn on keyboard vibration. You know, that satisfying haptic feedback you feel when you type? If it's not enabled on your iPhone, you're missing out. We'll walk you through the simple steps to get those vibrations buzzing in no time. No complicated tech jargon, just a straightforward guide. So before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Screen recording of iPhone showing the following steps. Okay, first things first, let's head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Just tap the gear icon to open it up. Now, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that. Next, look for Keyboard Feedback. You'll see it right in the middle of the screen. Tap on it. And finally, here's the magic. You'll see two options, Sound and Haptic. Make sure the toggle next to Haptic is turned on, so it's green. Pause briefly to allow viewers to check their settings. That's it. Seriously, that's all there is to it. Now, open up any app where you type, messages, notes, email, and start typing. You should now feel that little vibration with each key press. Demonstrate typing and feeling the vibration. So there you have it. You've successfully enabled keyboard vibration on your iPhone. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed this quick tip and found it useful, please give us a like and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful iPhone guides. Got any other iPhone questions or tips you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.